Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to export all workspace content in Notion. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to the Notion homepage where you'll easily spot the familiar interface. From here, look towards the left-hand corner of your screen and locate the Settings option. It's easy to find and quite user-friendly. Clicking on Settings will open up a new menu. As you navigate through the settings, click on the tab labeled General. This is your go-to section for handling broader actions related to your Notion setup. Now that you're in the general settings, scroll down and look for the option that says Workspace Content to export all workspace content. This is a handy feature for anyone wanting to back up their work or transfer their workspaces to another platform. Simply click on it to initiate the process. At this point, you have the ability to choose the type of file format for your export. Alongside the file format, you can specify which database and content you'd like included in the export. This selection is fundamental as it allows you to decide just how thorough you want your backup to be. There's also a nifty option to create folders for subpages. Enabling this feature organizes your exported data into neatly arranged subfolders. Once you've tailored these options to fit your needs, go ahead and click Export. After doing so, be ready to receive an email containing a download link for your exported workspace. This email comes directly to your inbox and provides convenient access to your backed up data without having to revisit Notion. And that's it. So that is how you can export all workspace content in Notion. So that's all for this video. Thanks.